I want to talk about the 10命主. This word is called the 命主. 命主 means you in 八字. 八字, they got a lot of information. They cannot be writing everything in sentences for you. So what are you? Are you a 甲、乙、丙、丁、戊、己、庚、辛、壬、癸? The next thing you need to see is you check below, got your 命主 appear here or not? Okay, hidden stem, got this character or not? Anywhere, or you can call this roots, R-O-O-T. Do you have roots? Why check? Got root or no root? Got root better. Got root 比较容易成功. The roots is your base, your foundation. When it comes to money, must clear one. Must have clarity. For example, 你吃是请你吃跟你买东西是跟你买东西. Wu people are like that one. Clear with the money. Wu people must have 甲 in the birth chart. Because Wu is the huge mountain, right? So if the mountain got no wood and cannot small wood, cannot grass. Why? Because if the mountain have woods, look at all those trees. Means what? Have you seen mountains no woods? It means this mountain cannot grow. So if you 戊命主, check your 八字 got 甲 wood or not. If have 甲 wood, good. What else? Important to have X, the 庚金. Because this 庚金will chop the wood, right? Because don't forget, wood counters earth. But the earth needs the wood. Because without the wood, this mountain not good mountain, right? Cannot produce. So 戊命主 is good to have wood. But too many wood counters the earth. That's why need the X. Cannot small metal, must yang metal, cannot yin metal. So if your 八字 is 戊 with 甲 with 庚,好命. I see a lot of 戊 life with the 甲庚, not bad.